Welcome to our channel. Today we how to cancel your service with Verizon, beginner guide step by step clearly. To cancel your service with Verizon, you can follow these simple steps. Begin by gathering your account information. This includes your account number and the phone number associated with your service. Next, decide whether you want to cancel online or by phone. For online cancellation, go to the Verizon website and log into your account. Once logged in, navigate to the Account section. Look for the Plan or Services option. Select the service you wish to cancel. Follow the prompts to confirm your cancellation. If you prefer to cancel by phone, call Verizon's customer service. The number is typically found on your bill or the Verizon website. Once connected, explain that you wish to cancel your service. Be prepared to answer any security questions they may ask. The representative may offer you promotional deals to keep your service. If you still wish to proceed with cancellation, confirm your decision. Request a confirmation email or reference number for your records. After cancellation, monitor your email for updates about your account status. Be aware of any final bills or fees associated with your cancellation. Make sure to return any rented equipment to avoid additional charges. Follow the instructions provided by Verizon for returning equipment. Keep a copy of the return receipt for your records. Your service cancellation is now complete. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.